Wow, look at that! It's a pile of red and green muddy toys. Wow, let's check it out. It is so muddy, guys. Let's collect them, guys, and then we'll clean them up. Wow, there's a dinosaur, trucks, rescue bots, transformers. Wow, superhero. What it now? Amazing, guys. Let's collect them all, guys. Almost done, guys. The last one. Let's go. Let's start cleaning, guys. The first one, guys. Wow, looks like a car. What it now? Tamiya Car, guys. Wow, so cool, guys. Next. Wow, what is that, guys? We did it! It's James Train, guys! Wow, amazing, guys! Next! Wow, rescue bots! What did now? It's Chase Rescue Bots, guys!
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you.
Wow, so strong, guys. Next, wow, a big truck, guys. We did it! Yellow cement mixer truck, guys. Wow, it's huge. Next, wow, rescue bots again, guys. What it now? It's Bumblebee, guys. Wow, very cool robot, guys. Next, wow, another truck. We did it! Wheel excavator truck, guys. Wow, so cool, guys. Next, wow, another rescue bot. What it now? It's Blaze Rescue Bots, guys.
Blades would be way more comfortable if he wasn't a helicopter.
Wow, helicopter, guys. Next, wow, what is that, guys? We did it! It's Batman, guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, a truck, guys. What it now? We load the truck, guys. Wow, it's big, guys. Next, wow, another rescue bot. What it now? The leader, Optimus Prime, guys.
Cybertron has fallen. We still stand.
Wow, so cool, guys. Next, wow, rescue bots again. We did it! It's Heatwave Rescue Bots, guys.
He's of a leader and a hero.
Rescue bots, roll to the rescue.
Wow, to the rescue. Next, wow, looks like a dinosaur. What it now? Triceratops, guys. Wow, looks so strong. The last one, guys, rescue bots. We did it! Heatwave Submarine bot, guys. Wow, so cool. Alrighty, guys, it's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.